So let me zero in on what you did, because the actual question was about citizen data scientists. So it sounds like you're doing that. And so what were the 2 or 3 key strategies that you have done to allow the users out there, your population, to actually get to the right data and start visualizing it and making decisions off of it? Hi, it's Alex Jarrett with Technology Executives Club, and you're watching another episode of CIOs Unleashed, where you'll get insights, inspiration, and strategies that actually work. Be sure and visit us at technologyexecutivesclub.com, where you can get your first masterclass workshop on demand worth $297 for free. That's technologyexecutivesclub.com.
Yeah, the first, probably the most important thing is find the right change agent within your business, within your customer base, right? This is very, because and I travel, I go to all the plants as much as I can, try to really see what's happening. And when you go visit a plant, there is 1 or 2 individuals that come to you and say, hey, I'm trying to do this. I'm trying to create this dashboard. I'm trying to do this. How come IT is not supporting me? It comes out as a complaint when I go there. But that is who I know is the guy or the girl that's going to drive the change in that plant. And this is very critical. And these people exist in every single business unit. They are just frustrated. And that frustration often comes out looking at IT and saying, you are the bottleneck, which is fine. I'll take that. I got thick skin, but at least now I know who I'm working with, who is my change agent. And then once you build the trusted relationship with them, they become the evangelist to push this and really, push the function to more data-driven analytics. This is probably very, very critical in terms of a business relationship standpoint. And the second point probably is, I mentioned before, this whole platform mindset, a warehouse mindset. I'll give you one example. We had quite a few different changes over the past 10 years of this company because of the various transformation it went through. And then I had one CFO who came from another automotive OEM that I will not name here. And so she said, when she came to this company, and she said, hey, what is going on? I was with this company, and within 10 minutes I could click this button and I could get this report. And you're telling me it's going to take a week. And what is the problem there? The problem there is you don't have the warehouse, you don't have the right data mining approaches. You got to really think about the plumbing, because without the plumbing, the water is not going to flow. So that is very, very critical.
I like that phrase. We keep coming back to the toilet paper somehow. It's because we're good. Thank you, Nathan. That was great how you did that. Jeanette?
Yeah, so I'm going to talk about a couple different strategies and their level of effectiveness.
Okay,
at least
good.
My experience. So one thing that is not effective in my experience is you get some people who are on the business side who kind of are interested in data science and just trying to upskill them. Okay, unless they truly want to become data scientists, not citizen data scientists, they don't want to do it, right? So I had a program with North Carolina State University. We were able to get people in the program for free for their AI Academy. The attrition was terrible. They took the first Python coding class. They're like, this is not what I want to do, blah, blah, blah. So I would not try to upskill people into data scientists to create data science democratization. I don't think that's effective unless you have 1 or 2 people who that's really what they want to do, and make sure that's what they really want to do. Build it and they will come. There's mixed results with that. I think it's hit or miss. So a lot of times people say, well, build them these BI tools. Well, we did that. We did that at a few different places. Here's some Python Jupyter Notebook templates. All you have to do is change the name of the data file and change the variable names, and here you go, run with it. Those types of things, or an interactive UI, whatever it may be. Some people will use it, some people won't. And again, that goes back to change management. What we did find that was pretty effective. What I have, like, as simple as this may sound, it was Microsoft training, free training. So we were in Azure at the time and at Hobby, and we would have these competitions. So the different teams would we had a leaderboard, and we had all these professional development things that people could go through, these trainings in Microsoft, and we had any level, right? And we had a VP learn how to create one of those power apps and actually solve the business problem. And it was like wonderful, and people loved it. And the team that had the most hours won like I don't know, a day off or something like that. That was a fun competition where people got to select their own training, use it how they wanted to do on their own time. That was effective. Build it, they will come, partially effective. Take a business person and try to train them or upskill them to be a data scientist, not effective in my experience.
That's great. I like how you had the 3 different examples there. That was very good. Go ahead, Nathan.
I'll endorse what Jeanette just said. We do Microsoft hackathons all the time. It absolutely works.
That's great. That's good. Well, that's what we're here for, is actually what works. Shlomo?
Well, the hackathons was exactly along the lines of what I was going to suggest, because the key thing, and I'm just repeating what Nathan and Jeanette said, is to get the people that are going to really buy in and be really excited about this and make it happen. Because it's not going to happen without real evangelists, and the hackathons are a great way of sort of creating that buzz, creating that excitement, getting the competitive juices flowing, creative juices flowing, and then people who either they're coming from the tech side and they love doing the tech stuff, or the people who are really focused on the problem and solving the problems.
Hi, it's Alex Jarrett, and thanks for watching another episode of CIOs Unleashed, brought to you by TechnologyExecutivesClub.com. If you liked today's episode, be sure and comment to join the conversation, and like, share, and follow. And don't forget, visit us at TechnologyExecutivesClub.com, where you can get your first masterclass workshop on demand worth $297 for free. That's TechnologyExecutivesClub.com.